All right, it is time to make our checkerboard. To do that, we're going to do it in Google Sheets. I'm going to click on the app on your iPad that is called Drive. So you need to find the app that is called Google Drive. And we want, in the bottom right is a plus button. We want Google Sheets. Let's call it Checkers. Create. Perfect. So a checkerboard is 8 squares across by 8 squares up and down for a total of 64 squares. And each of them is a square, so the length and the width is the same. And then every other one is shaded in. So looking at our spreadsheet here, we've got a whole bunch of rectangles. Let's make some squares. So I'm going to click on that first row. And when I do that, it highlights all the cells. So I clicked on that number 1 on the left, and I need to make it taller so that each cell looks more like a square. So to do that, I'm going to put my finger on that circle in the bottom right that has the arrows up and down. And I'm just going to drag it down 3 cells. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put it right there. Perfect. And now I'm going to do the same thing for number 2. Put my finger on the little circle there. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So now we're going to do this for all 8. Nope. Click on row 3. One, 2, 3. Perfect. Click on row 4. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Click on row 5. 1, 2, 3. 3 squares tall. All right. Row 6. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 2 more. Row 7. 1, 2, 3. And row 8. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. All right. So now we've got 8 rows going down of squares. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this square here, and I am going to drag across to H, and then we want to go to column H, and then row 8. A, B, C, D, there's 4. E, F, G, H is 8. So that's 8 squares across. And then that is 8 squares going down, which is the size of our board. I am going to click on the button in the top row that looks kind of like a 4 square, just like that. And so what we're doing is we're putting on borders on each square. So I'm just going to click on the one that makes it look like that. Perfect. All right, it's looking good. So now we need to shade in every other square. So first one, I will leave blank. And then this next one, I want to fill, and I want to do black. And then here, skip it, black. Row 6. Seven. All right, last row. fill. Perfect. Awesome. So now I'm just going to zoom out so it's easier to see. So now we have got eight columns going down, 1 through 8, and then 8 squares going across A through H, and every other one is a square, and it is shaded. Last but not least, you need to share this with me. So top right, click the 3 circles. You want to share and export. You want to share, and here you will type in my email address, which is hartley.9@napls. Oh no. @napls.us. Perfect. And then you will click send.